Hi, it's Brenda from Ride Ohio. I just wanted to share a little safety tip that we have learned while riding our motorcycles. Now, everybody knows it is hard to see motorcycles at times out there on the highway when you're in your cars or whether you're on a bike also. Anyway, so I had a little life experience. My bike is black, the worst of all, because black makes it a little bit harder. I think, my only opinion, makes it harder for people to see you out there, right? So I picked up my motorcycle. I bought it from Adventure out in Dover, Ohio. Adventure Harley Davidson. So I'm on my way home and I'm in the town of Wintersville, Ohio. And I'm driving and I'm at a red light, I'm at a red light, and the other traffic that was going to turn was stopped. So as I'm going through, there's a gas station, and I get up there and there's a girl stopped, and I'm watching her. She's a young girl talking with a bunch of people in the back of the car, distracted, not watching where she's going or what she's doing. So I just got this bike, right? So I'm watching her really close. I'm paying attention, watching all my surroundings. And as I'm going through, I went through the green light, and as I'm going through, the girl pulls out in front of me. Well, not actually in front of me, but like right into where my leg is. So I kicked her door in, and I still don't think she saw me, but I had to get over a little bit so she wouldn't hit me. Thank God she did not hit me. But in any cases, you're out there traveling on the highway, always remember this, okay? Most people do not see motorcycles. So in this case, we learned to drive or ride our motorcycles at all times with your bright headlights on during the day, because that extra bright light gets the next car's attention, and it has worked a lot with us. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to work all the time, but it has worked. They do see you more than you would have thought, because the more lights, the more activity you draw to yourself, the cars will see you. So that's just a little tip for the day. We always ride during the day with our bright lights on. Try it. It works. Anyway, I hope everyone is enjoying their day. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe, like, and share for our videos. We need some more extra help getting our channel built up so we can take more videos for you and try to be more efficient and make the videos a lot better for you. Please, please, in the bottom of my heart, help us out. Roger and I would appreciate all the help, and we do appreciate the help that you have given us so far. But until next time, ride safe. Bye.